Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll break down exactly why this product is the top choice and what makes it stand out from the rest. If you're looking to purchase it, check out the link in the description right now to grab it at the lowest price available. But the real question is, really, is it worth it at this lowest price? The answer is yes. The FOIFKIN F300 PC case boasts an elegant and modern design with a panoramic tempered glass panel that offers a wide field of vision and sound insulation, perfect for showcasing top-tier hardware. It comes pre-installed with 3 PWM fans, allowing for superior heat dissipation and easy maintenance thanks to its tool-free hinged glass side panel. This mid-tower case supports a variety of motherboard sizes including ATX, MATX, and ITX, and has ample space for a 360mm cooler and a GPU up to 400mm in length. The FOIFKIN F300 offers a comprehensive input-output selection featuring a Type-C 3.0 port, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, as well as audio and microphone jacks for versatile connectivity. With its considerable internal capacity, the case can accommodate multiple fans, ensuring that performance is never compromised for aesthetics. FOIFKIN provides excellent customer support and a risk-free purchase guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with your investment in this high-quality PC case.